Hi and welcome to Access Club Membership Registration System, and this is it. So all I just need to do is click on Add Record and we can add the new details in there. And let's say the name of this very person is, let's say, Rocky, and address 12 Tree Town, code that should be 8, and telephone number, and the day is today's date, and there we go. That's for Rocky. And all we just need to do is to update our record here, and that's it. And what I'm going to do now is take you straight to Access, Microsoft Access, and we put one of these together. Let's do that now, guys. Hi and welcome to Access tutorial of our club member registration system. I'm going to start by clicking on the blank database, and let's give the system a name. I'm going to call that registration. And save that straight onto my document. Great. And there we go. So I'm going to save this. Let's save the table as registration. Right. There we go. Now let's close this and right click on this registration table, select design view, and there I'm going to give that a name. Let's call it reference number, and I'm going to change this to shots. I'm going to get rid of the primary key. The next thing is, let's give that name and the surname, followed by address, postcode, let's say telephone, that can be mobile number, whatever that might be. And the next one is going to be date register. Let's just call it date reg, and proof of ID, membership type, then we have membership fees. There. The date, I'm going to change that to date and time. Change the data type to date and time. And I think that will be all. Let's see, membership type. Let's change that to currency. There we go. And I think there might be default there. Yeah. Okay, pound sign. That's fine. And membership type. Okay, let's come straight to lookup and change the membership type to the following. We might have annual membership, so let's come in here. You see where we have the role source. The role source there is going to be, let's say, annual member. That should be in a, let's put that in a quote, then another quote here. I'm just going to call that monthly member. Then let's say we have yearly member and yearly. Okay, annual member, yearly member. I think it's the same thing. Let's change this to something else. That might just be guest membership there. Okay, that 3 is good enough for me. And here where we have the role source type, maybe we should change that to, I think that's going to be in on the table anyway. No, let's come in here, view there. And what else? We need that of proof. Come in here, let's change this to combo box as well, and change this to view list, and here that is going to be driving license. Try that again, driving license. Then let's go for student ID. Student ID. Then let's go for pilot license. And yeah, what else do we need? Let's go for passport. Right, I think that we do. Yeah, so alright, maybe for the membership fee, let's come in here and just change that to annual fee of, let's see, default value. Let's just go for maybe 45. Right, I'm going to save this, and let's see if we open up the table. Close that, we can then view the table. Right, that is it there. Okay, let's close that now and go to create, and let's select form create. See it, form create that let you enter information for one record at a time. So let's use that. Right there, guys, this is how it looks like. So what I'm going to do is, let me right click here and go to design view there, and I'm going to select all of these and just maybe enhance it a little bit. Yeah, and one more, just come in here, drag. I think that should do. Yeah, that will do. Okay, so let's come in here and right, and just drag this that much. Okay, I'm now going to go up here and just add, let's go to design. I'm now going to add a list box. There we go, that's a list box. Okay, draw that much and just bring it down. I'm going to say no. Let's cancel that because I will populate it myself. Okay, that should do about that. Okay, now let's go back there and just select. Okay, bring it down. I'm going to select some buttons. Okay, so let's come in here, click on buttons. Need try that again. And that is going to be for, let's select, go to next record. Yeah, that's fine. I'll just call it CMD next. Okay. And what about previous? Right. Previous. Okay, and then I'm going to need, let's add item. Now just click on the button and let's select record item. There we go, this very one. Yeah, Okay, add record. Okay then. Add record. Or let's say add new. There we go. Now I'm going to need a button to add information here. Yeah, I think I'm going to need about 4 more actually, and that's to add the information on here. So I'm going to cancel that, just give it my own name. Let's say add record. No, update. Yeah, update is fine. Now 1 more, no, 3 more really. Okay, move this somewhere here. Okay, add another one. This other one will be for the toolbar. Cancel that, so that's going to be for toolbar. Toolbar, yes, and toolbar, no. So we can copy this very button. I'll just come in here, add another one. So cancel. That's going to be the toolbar. No. Then we need 1 more for exit. In the case of exit, I think we can get that in here, or maybe I just write that myself. Let's see, which one do I want? Just to close the form. So I just to close the form, or let's see, quit application. Okay, we select quick application. If we don't like it, I'll just clear it all and enter my own code on it. So let's say quit application, click on next, cmd, quit. Right, finish. Okay, I'm now going to work on enhancing the look of this interface. Okay, this is how it all looks. And as this seems to have more space in here, more room, so I'm going to move that and come in here into quick application there and toolbar there. Okay, when I have to work on the interface, it looks pretty rough right now. And this one, maybe just get rid of that and just call it previous and next. Yeah, so I can have enough room. Okay, and all of these here, just for the sake of enough room, so I'm going to select it all and just modify the whole appearance. Yeah, let's say something like that. And this one, as the list box, so it's list box 32. Okay, I'm going to delete that anyway, I don't need it. That's supposed to be the title, so move this here. So we just right click and see how it all looks like, and we just try and enhance it, and we can start coding then. Let's see, come on, yeah, there we go, that's how it looks. So for now guys, this is how it all looks. Okay, you see this quit. If I click on it, it actually close up all the systems. So what I'm going to do is, let me go back to design. I'm going to get rid of that. Yes, just select that button and delete it. Let's create another button entirely, but before then, move this aside first, and we'll try to work on the appearance later on. So I'm going to choose, let's just choose close form. Yeah, close the form. I'm going to try that out and see how that looks like. Give that a name, CMD, close form. Yeah, that's just to close the form anyway. Right, so right click and there, try it out. Yes, save, and that's it. That's much better. Okay, that's fine. We're going to settle for that. Now right click and let's go to design view, and on the design view I'm going to select this tab here and let's select build event. Okay, select code builder. Okay, when you right click on it, you select build event, select code builder, click on OK, and right in there what I'm going to, oh, it has no name. Let's go back in there. Let's give them all a name. That looks very bad. Properties. Okay, the property right there. So I'm just gonna call that CMD. That is supposed to be toolbar. No. And the other one is going to be CMD toolbar. Yes. CMD toolbar. Yes. And this one is meant to be CMD update. Right, this one they all officially have, they all have a name. Right, apart from just those three. Okay, right click on this now, select build event, and right there, that's the name. I can get rid of it. Okay, I have very one, I don't need that. So let's say do CMD dot show toolbar, and the toolbar is going to be ribbon. So which means show the ribbon. Oh, this is no. Okay, no ribbon. So I'm going to copy this. The other one is going to be yes. So go back there. This is for yes. Right click, event, code builder. There we go. So this is going to be yes. So if I decide to come in here now and go to form view, so we can always say no ribbon, show ribbon. So here are the ribbons. Okay, no ribbon, show ribbons. So that is fine. Okay, one other thing is, oh, that's done, that's fine. Let's update before we start work with the modification. So I'm going to come in here, go to events, and let's just right click there and go to events, go right up there. I need form load, so let's come into form and load appears. So first thing first is underneath here I'm going to declare as follows: dim, that will be 1. I think I have about 11 of those. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I have 11 variables to declare. So let's say as strings. There we go. This one is to represent each of these items I have in here. Okay. It seems I have 11. No, I have 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that's no problem. We can always delete one. So right click on the form, select build. Just get rid of number 11. There. And on the form load itself, I'm going to enter the list box. So I think I should say me. Let's say me dot list 32 dot add item, and the item that I would like to add would be as follows. I think the very first one is, I think it's members details. So let's come in here. Oh, it's reference. Then we have surname and so on. Okay, let's see. reference number. Let's come back in here. It's going to be known as reference number, and followed by surname. I say and first name. Okay, close that. Then we have surname. I'm gonna copy all of this, paste it right there. Surname. Right. So let's just speed that up. Okay, I'll finish up with that for the form load. Let's take it down so you guys can see. There we go. Those are my headings. Okay. Alright, one more line of code here. So let me say C, let's say do command dot maximize. Alright, that will be for the form load. So let's move this one so that you can see. But first thing first, let's come in here. We need this one. See, make sure you select the list box and the column. I think in total I have 10, so I'm going to change that to 10. Column heading, I'm going to make that yes, and go to the data. Right there inside the data, I'm going to set the row source type. Let's change that to value list. There we go. So we can even try it out now. You see that, guys? Yeah. So in total this is 10. Okay, now this works. Okay, I'm going to say no, that's fine. Right, let's go back to the design. Has to be saved. Let's come back in here. That's 11 and this is yes. Make sure it's saved. One line. Let's save, and I still have my codes in there. Let's see. Okay, we might as well just enter. Let's enter a function here. Get rid of this, and the function is going to be for the list box itself. There we go. Okay, now let's come straight to the list box. Now, I mean the button that we use to populate the list box itself. Let's come right down here, and there we go. Update. Going to have to do something about the interface. It still looks a bit rough. So yeah, it has a name. That should be CMD. Right, CMD update. Okay, right click on it and just select add events and code builder. There we go. So in there I need all of this. I'm going to copy them, paste them right in here, and those will represent the name for each of this. So the first one, comment that out, equals, that'll become me dot reference number dot value. Value there. And the second one equals me dot, that is first name, really, first name dot value. Right, that should be uppercase. The next one is the third one, equals me dot surname dot value. There, and so on. So I'm going to speed that up and get back to you guys. Okay, that's it done. So let me copy these variables here and let's finish it up. So right there, we're going to now enter me dot list 32 equals add data. That is the name of my function, add data, and those are the data meant to be added. That's meant to be added. Okay, then we'll say dot code element there, and that is it. So this very add data, this one is right here. That's the function, the name of the function. That's the one I'm calling here. I think that would do. So we now need to try it out. Let's just come in here. Okay, let's try it out. Just click on here, form, and there, and let's see if that's gonna work. Right there. Yeah, you see that? We're able to add all of the data. Okay, that is fine, and we can get rid of the ribbon and add the ribbon. No ribbon, yes ribbon. Yeah, that's it. Everything is working fine. So all that is left to do is just to customize the interface, make it look much better than the way it looks now, and that's all there is to it. So when I exit, yes, let's say cancel and make sure it's saved first before I lost any data. I'm just gonna come here to place save, and now let's customize the whole interface. Select it all, and let's go to, we need the tools. Okay, let's do it individually anyway. I'll select that and come in here to the font. I want to make that maybe 14 and bold. Yeah, there we go. What about the border column? I'm going to make that black. Then border width, I'm going to make that, let's go for 3. Yeah, so I'll repeat the same thing for all these other ones here. Okay, border width 3, color is going to be black, and this will be 14 as well. Right, so I'll speed that up and get back to you guys. Alright guys, this is how the whole interface looks now. There we go. Let's try that again. That's how it looks right now, and we can always select the tab to take that up and bring it back down. So all that is left for us to do now is just the interface. Let's change the back color of the interface. So select the form itself and let's come to back color here. Maybe a little bit, yeah, that's a little bit much better. Right, and maybe move this up a little bit more. And that's all there is to it, and that's how you create your own club registration system using Access there. So let's enter some data. No ribbon. Okay, let's enter some data in there. Let's enter proper data, registration number, and the name. Let's say Paul Omen. address number 12. Worry. Hey, let's say Worry, and that's VS77. Telephone number, and that's today's date there. Okay, that's fine. Occupation pilot, and annual membership, and that's the membership fee. So we can always add those information of Mr. Paul Oman. So let's update. There we go. And let's change this to Dynamic Hunter. Dynamic Hunter also means Paul Oman in Wu-Tang. Number 18, Wu-Tang. Yeah, Wu-Tang name generator. That's what Paul Oman means, Dynamic Hunter. And that's postcode, telephone number, occupation, no, identity, passport, and here we just leave it as no. Let's change that to monthly membership, and there, let's update. There we go. So guys, with that, I'm gonna call it the end of this program. I suppose you guys enjoyed. So you all have a nice day now. Bye for now.